Okay guys, I'm gonna make this video. Hopefully it will help somebody. In my case, I was lost and I needed to fix this because I'm talking about the Jackery Explorer 1000 plus. This is kind of like the newest model. I'm really happy. The only thing is I probably overloaded by mistake because I tried to connect the heater. In my case, it throwing me like a short, and it was showing me on the screen right here. It was showing me the triangle and F1, like you have a short. In order for me to use the 110 or the 120 volts, like in this case now it's fixed. So and there was a triangle right here, so I didn't have any power and I was sad. So I don't want to go to the customer service, and because I didn't buy warranty for this thing. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to open it. Hopefully it will help somebody, because I was lost and I figured out myself. So hopefully this will help somebody. Okay. The first thing you need to do is make sure you turn this thing off. Make sure it's off. Okay, that will help. But at the same time, you have to understand everything is alive in there inside. Once you open it, just be careful not to touch like freely, like points to points, with by mistake with the screwdriver. So be really careful. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the cable you need to disconnect in order for you to reset the short. In this case, the F1, the F8, F3, F4, whatever sign you have on the triangle, in order for you, so you can have power again on the 120 volts. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to remove, make sure that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws right here. So they're kind of long, so you're gonna need a kind of like a special screwdriver, long enough from here to all the way to the middle. So just imagine, that's a Philip. It's very common, not big deal. So just careful that open this thing, make sure you remove these two little ones as well. Make sure you don't lose them. Okay, so you can put them back, because once you open it this like half apart, this thing, it doesn't stick on the wall. Okay, anyways, that's on the back part. And then also on the bottom, you need to remove one, that's total of 4. So I suggest you guys, because I know this is like one-time seal pads, just be gentle and just don't remove the whole thing, and then you're gonna have to re-glue them again. So just go to in this case, go to the bottom part. You can feel right here the hole. Everything is solid, and that's a hole right there, and that's a hole. In this case, is on the lower part closest to the middle. In this case, it's on the top part. Right here, you can see right here. Okay, so and that way you can be just safe on reuse those pads, and you don't have to re-glue them. But once you open everything, just be careful, and I'm gonna show you in a picture the cable, a specific cable that you need to unplug. Once you in this case, this is the way I use the table, and then I put it backwards. Like this, and then I carefully, once everything is screwed, just carefully, you're gonna see that everything is gonna become loose, and just remove carefully the handle. That's gonna be a metal supports in here, so make sure you don't remove them, or by mistake you flip this up more, and then you can that's gonna slide it all the way inside, and then you're gonna have to remove some screws. You're gonna find them in here on this side, and then also on this side. Not big deal, because I went all that, but just showing you so you don't work more, because I spent so many hours working on this, like probably 3-4 hours. Okay, so when you guys open it, you're gonna see a typical 2 cables connected to the back part, and then just carefully disconnect those. Not big deal. Those are the ones that's giving you out powers to the design, so not big deal. You're gonna recognize them. That's the long one, and then a short one. So just make sure you so you have more area to work with, so you can touch the whole back part. Okay, and then right there is a picture with the connection that you need to disconnect it and leave it unplugged for like 4 or 5 minutes, I will say, and then just carefully connect it back right into it. You're not gonna miss it because they're black and red. You're gonna just follow that on that corner. On if you're facing back on the right hand side, you're gonna see that connection there with the black and red cables. Disconnect those and then carefully connect it back, and you will be all set. Okay, so once you do that, just make sure, well, before you connect this cables back, to put everything back together, make sure you turn the power on, and make sure you have power back on those on those outlets for the 120 volts. And once you verify the hopefully you have fixed, like in myself, and then just put carefully all the parts back, connect those 2 cables I'm showing you right now, put them back, and then carefully connect before you attach the middle part. Connect the the 2 little tiny screws on the back before you seal them, so you can use your hand on the back, so you can screw them back. Well, hopefully this video helps you on resolve that problem, to to give you power back on the outlets, and like was my case. I have the short and the triangle F1, FA, or whatever signs right here, in order for us to have back the 120 volts. Okay, to resolve. Hope you like it.